Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Pink color, violet color, sky blue color, dark blue color, orange color, green color, yellow color, red color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for arrow. B for bus. C for candy. D for dust. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gun. H for hat. I for ink. J for jar. K for kite. L for lychee. M for monkey. N for nose. O for oil. P for pencil. Q for quilt. R for ring. S for sheep. T for teacher. U for universe. V for vulture. W for window. X for Xerox. Y for yum. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.